Happening this year, man. Chris Watts, you already know off top we got to give God the glory. You know I got to recognize my beautiful queen Allie Watts and my three beautiful girls Antoinette, Annalise, and Alexia. I just wanted to come on real quick, man. It's been a minute since your boy been on, man. You know, probably been about a little bit over a week. You know, I done had my wife's birthday this past week, of course Valentine's, of course handling some other things, and it's been pretty good. Been pretty good, man. So I just been, out for a little bit, celebrating my queen, spoiling her like I do, then the next day, Valentine's Day, spoiling them again, and just taking care of some other things. But I just wanted to come on real quick and just share this brief word, man. I was sharing with others yesterday, and the title of this video is Shift Your Focus. Shift Your Focus. And I was sharing with others yesterday. I told them, I said that my whole life changed once I shifted my focus. And once I shifted my focus, I found my momentum. And once I found my momentum, I found my miracle. And I understood that the catalyst for my breakthrough all along, the seed, the catalyst, the main ingredient for my breakthrough all along, it was there all along in me. It was there all along. It was just that my focus was off. I was focusing on trying to do everything else to make it work, everything else to get to the next level, everything else to change my life. But once I focused, once I started pursuing the intuition and the leading of the Holy Ghost that was in me, once I put my dead focus on that in a matter of months, my whole life changed dramatically. And I just wanted to come and tell you that for some of us, we're doing certain things and we're expecting to get results, and you may be getting some results, but I guarantee you the God results comes when, number one, you become aware of what it is he wants you to do, and when not only when you become aware, but now you have to focus on that thing and work that thing out, and you will be surprised how things will begin to change dramatically in your life, all because a shift in our focus, a shift in our energy, a shift in our efforts, a shift in, even in our faith. There's very possible that you can have the right faith, but in the wrong thing. I'm not trying to get fired up tonight, because I believe that your future is connected to both your focus and your faith. You can have all the faith in the world and doing the wrong thing, and God didn't call you to do that, but you believe that it's gonna pop off and it's gonna happen. Or you can have the focus in doing what God has called you to do, but you don't have the faith in believing that he's gonna turn that thing around for you. So I believe that your future is connected to both your faith and your focus. And now let's look at John 21 real quick. And we're talking about shifting your focus, and I'll get out on here to get out your way. In John 21, in verse 4, it says, "But when the morning was now come, Jesus stood on the shore, but the disciples knew not that it was Jesus. Then Jesus said unto them, Children, have ye any meat? They answered him, No. Because previously all night in verse 3, it says that they had been fishing all night and they haven't caught nothing. So now here comes Jesus standing on the shore. He asked them, Do you have any meat? Do you have any results? Have you produced any fruit from the labor you've been doing all night? I'm going to get to my point in a minute. And when he asked them that, he says, Children, do you have any meat? And they answered him, No. And now Jesus says this. He says unto them, Cast the net on the right side of the ship, and ye shall find. They cast therefore their nets, and it says, now they were not even able to draw all the fish they began to receive. Now what happened? Peter was on the water. Peter had already been fishing. The main ingredient, the main catalyst to this thing is that Peter's focus was fishing into the wrong area. Who am I talking to? I told you I just want to be short and quick, and I don't want to get fired up. Jesus came, and all it took was a word to make Peter aware that I need to shift my focus to another area. Jesus came and said, I see you've been fishing all night. I see you haven't caught anything. Now, this is what I want you to do. I want you to do what you've been doing, but now I want you to refocus. I want you to shift your efforts. I want you to shift your focus to the area that I want you to focus in, which was the right side of the ship. And once Peter put his net on the right side of the ship, he began to catch so many fish that they couldn't even haul it all in. What is your boy trying to say? Sometimes the breakthrough you're looking for, the miracle you're looking for, you already have it. You just need to shift your focus to the seed that God has put within you, and let your faith and your work water that thing, and you cultivate it so it can blossom into the breakthrough. You have to understand the fish, it's not like the fish just magically appeared in the water. Now, Jesus could very much have done so. But our reason to believe that it's not that the fish just magically appeared in the water. I believe the fish was already there. I believe that they was just fishing on the wrong side of the ship. And Jesus came and said, shift your focus, shift your efforts. Put it on this side. Put it on this area. Put it where I want you to put it at. And then you will have the success. Jesus came and said, children, do you have any meat? In other words, do you have any result from the way you've been doing it? Can I ask you, do you have any results from the way you've been doing things in life? You want a better marriage. Do you have any results from how you've been trying to go about doing it? You want a better career, a better job, better finances, better relationships, a better entrepreneurship, a better business, kids acting better, better in everything. Do you have the results that you really want to see? And if not, could it be simply because you putting your focus into a wrong area, into a wrong effort, into a wrong action? And I just want to come and tell you today that, hey, sometimes I believe we're in a season of renewal, and I believe deposits are being made to take us to the next level. But we have to make sure that we are aware of what God is saying, and that we put our focus on that thing and what He is saying. When the angel came and told, I believe it was Mary, that she was going to have a child, it said that she pondered that thing in her heart. I believe it was the same thing with Joseph as well. Said that I believe it was his mom or his dad said they pondered the thing in their heart that which they had heard. You gotta ponder that thing in your heart. You gotta not only ponder it and be aware of it, but you gotta put your focus on that thing and seek God on how He wants you to go about developing and cultivating that thing. I truly believe that when we seek God and ask Him to show us the area that we need to focus on and that we need to go forth into, and then we do what He says, things start popping off just like that, just like that. Like I said, my whole life changed once I shifted my focus. So I just want to come on, man, just encourage you today. For some of you, when I shared that with others yesterday, a few people said that they needed to hear that, and I just want to come on and encourage you today that I believe that sometimes the breakthrough we believe in for, the miracle we believe in for, I believe it's already here. We just need to shift our focus. So we say this isn't the beginning. This is forever. Together is now and never. Dream big, work hard, and live easy. Look forward. Stay tuned. Look forward to some more upcoming prophetic teachings that I will be getting ready to release. And I look forward to seeing you all next time, okay? All right. Have a good night.